So try to be stable. When you open your arms, don't lean too much forward, all right? Because you will fall. So the first thing is that you look at my armpit. It's gonna come right here. So I'm loading all my weight, not here, okay? My leg doesn't have to come down. You see, as a base, you're getting tired.
Yeah,
stay there.
I'm tired.
So when you use your base, don't do this. Do this, okay? All right. So the first thing, look at my armpit. I'm holding on without choking. My hand is holding my weight. I will load my weight here very slowly. Look how slowly I'm going to do it. I'm not jumping. You see that? With my foot. See nice. With my other hand that I had propped up.
Yes. Can I help you?
Look at that. All right? That's a start. And then you start going around without help. The second part I will help. Okay? So same thing. You load your weight. You go up. And then as a base, I will help. That's it. Ta-da! All right, guys.
Guatemala, reach for the sky. Backpack spin, human pyramid high. Psychedelic vibes on cobblestone street. Lake Atitlán shores, a sacred space. Where yogis gather with strength and grace. Where yogis gather with strength and grace. San Marcos, Guatemala, forever in our hearts. Eden Atitlán, where new journeys start. Viva Guatemala, reach for the sky. Backpack spin, human pyramid high. Psychedelic vibes on cobblestone street. Midsummer Festival, Lake Atitlán spectacle. Kaleesa and Jonathan, Acro masters instructing. Lake Atitlán shores, a sacred space. Where yogis gather with strength and grace.
Okay? So same thing. You load your weight, you go up, and then as a base, I will help you. Ta-da! All right? Lean a little bit forward, but not like this. You know, like this is not a lean. I'm just leaning my chest out. See how I'm making that little...
Viva Guatemala, reach for the sky. Backpack spin, human pyramid high. Psychedelic vibes on cobblestone street. Lake Atitlán shores, a sacred space. Where yogis gather with strength and grace.
Open both hands. Open, open. Yeah, say down and do a hand. Great.
Viva Guatemala, reach for the sky. Backpack spin, human pyramid high. Psychedelic vibes on cobblestone street. Lake Atitlán shores, a sacred space. Where yogis gather with strength and grace. Where yogis gather with strength and grace.
Look how we're crossing this. You know I'm crossing the leg. So not too close. That's fast.
San Marcos, Guatemala, forever in our hearts. Eden Atitlán, where new journeys start. Viva Guatemala, reach for the sky. Backpack spin, human pyramid high. Psychedelic vibes on cobblestone street. Midsummer Festival, Lake Atitlán spectacle. Kaleesa and Jonathan, Acro masters instructing. Lake Atitlán shores, a sacred space. Where yogis gather with strength and grace.
everybody's gonna be right foot.
Where yogis gather with strength and grace.
Every spotter will be holding left hand above the knee. Okay? Above.
San Marcos, Guatemala, forever in our hearts. Eden Atitlán, where new journeys start.
You have that? Okay, now stop.
Viva Guatemala, reach for the sky. Backpack spin, human pyramid high. Psychedelic vibes on cobblestone street.
Okay? 3 seconds.
Midsummer Festival, Lake Atitlán spectacle. Kaleesa and Jonathan, Acro masters instructing. Lake Atitlán shores, a sacred space. Where yogis gather with strength and grace.
There is no 6. Alright, so you all ready? Alright. All legs down, all flyers hold on. All flyers put 1 foot, and then you hold them very tight. There we go. And now you load weight. Chest out, chest out. All flyers open hands. Yes! Beautiful. Thank you. Lock. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Alright. Flyers open hands.
Where yogis gather with strength and grace.
3 seconds.
San Marcos, Guatemala, forever in our hearts.
Down. Drop.
Eden Atitlán, where new journeys start.
Beautiful.
Good job, guys.
Viva Guatemala, reach for the sky. Backpack spin, human pyramid high. Psychedelic vibes on cobblestone street. Midsummer Festival, Lake Atitlán spectacle.
Bring the bodies together.
Kaleesa and Jonathan, Acro masters instructing.
We're gonna inhale the hands out, round it up. Exhale down to our power pose. You guys get to stretch the legs, no weight on them. That should feel pretty good right now. Ready to
Lake Atitlán shores, a sacred space.
inhale, half lift.
Where yogis gather with strength and grace.
Left hand, lift down, right hand, twist up. And then you'll spread that right arm through the left ankle and open for high spread.
The vote, Lake Atitlán spectacle.
Side friends on the other
Kaleesa
side.
and Jonathan, Acro masters instructing.
And then taking that into left side twist.
Lake Atitlán shores, a sacred space. Where yogis gather with strength and grace.
Yay! And now we're photo.
Midsummer Festival, Lake Atitlán spectacle. Kaleesa and Jonathan, Acro masters instructing.